Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have another recipe for you all. Today I will be making garlic butter shrimp. This is one of the recipes that I've been making for a long time. You can pair this with your favorite mashed potatoes, rice, with vegetables, or anything you would like, or simply just by itself. So let's get into the recipe. Here I have a pound of shrimp. These are large shrimp, so what I did is they came they came deveined already and split. The only thing I had to do was take the shell off. And I always like to keep the tail sometimes depending on what recipe I'm making, but that's optional. After I peeled the shell off, I washed my shrimp and I made sure that all my shrimp was dry because I want my seasoning to stick and I want to fry them. As always, play around with your seasoning and you can adjust the seasoning yourself. I have like a little bit of lemon pepper, some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, and I think some Sazon all-purpose seasoning. So I put like a little bit oil in there because I like for my seasoning to stick to my poultry or my seafood. After my seasoning, I added just a little bit of cornstarch. This part you do not have to do, or you can add just a little flour, or sometimes I add a little cornmeal or fish meal. So to my cast iron skillet, I added butter and I added oil because I did not want my butter to burn. I usually do that, add oil with my butter when I'm cooking things. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, because I have a cast iron and kind of cook fast, after 2 or 3 minutes, then I went ahead and flipped them over. And then I'm going to let them cook for another 4 minutes, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, this is how it should look once the shrimp is finished. And after your shrimp is finished, I'm going to transfer everything to a bowl and set it aside. After I set my shrimp in the bowl and put it to the side, I added more butter so I can make the garlic sauce. After my butter has melted all the way down, and then I'm going to take my minced garlic, or either you can mince fresh garlic, which I didn't have none. So I took my garlic and I'm going to cook it down just a few minutes, but do not let your garlic burn. This is a step I added because I love to have my trio mix, onion, and bell pepper mix. So I added just little thin slices in there. This step is optional. You don't have to do it, but this is what I like. So I put a little bit, not too much, in there. So I let the little trio mix and the garlic cook for like around 2, maybe 3 minutes. I didn't want to overcook it any. And I also added some fresh parsley. Then I added back my shrimp, and I'm going to give that a toss, and I'm going to turn the stove right on off. And this is it, guys. This recipe was so good. So let me know what you all think, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.